What's up, my guy? Welcome to my YouTube channel. My good name is Diva Moraa Official. Don't forget to subscribe so that you may watch the next video I'm going to do. So guys, today I have here cheese. You see, this is cheese. I'm going to make fertile. I'm going to make fertile. It's like a bread. Yeah, so this is part one. I'm going to have two parts. So this is part one. I'm going to do for the part two. So let us start for part one. What we have doing. This is the flour. You mix it with oil, sugar. I will write the description down. And then after you finish, you start to, you see what I'm doing like this to scroll. Is scrolling or is how that we call it in English. You know, English is not my mouth, but I'm trying, guys. Yeah, I'm trying to talk English, little. In Arabic, we say shoya shoya. So, guys, I'm making fertile, yeah, cheese, and this is how I do it. So, stay tuned to the channel. If you're turning subscriber, please, if you are new here, please consider subscribing so that whenever I post the video, you will be the first one to see what is Diva doing. So guys, after I do like this, I'm going to cut. Yeah, let me show how I'm going to cut and what I'm going to do. It's about to go down. It's about to go down. So let me look something to cut for. You see this? Yeah, this is what I'm going to use. Just cut like this one. I cut like this too. Let me show you what I'm doing. Let me show you, my good people, what I'm doing. Okay. So you see, this is what I do, and then I cut like this. You see? Hope you're seeing. And then I cut like this. You see? So that is what I'm doing. Let us continue. So my good people, this is what I'm doing. You see? This is what your girl Diva is doing, like this. You see? Like this. Remember, we are making fertile cheese. It's like a bread. So stay tuned. You see? So the next thing, my good people, we are going to do, I'm going to open my cheese and place it there. So don't skip. Stay tuned. Keep subscribing. Watch, support, road to success. Let me see. So guys, I'm excited. So let me show you what I'm doing now. Here, this is what? Anyway, name it. I'm taking the oil. You know, and remember, this is part one. I'm gonna do part two. So this is the oil. I'm going to do like this. Don't put a lot of it, like this. And then I'm going to brush it. Wolololo, wolololo, you die. Let me see you. Wolololo. Guys, I don't know how to sing, but I'm trying. Wolololo. I like Nigerian songs, but I'm from Kenya. What a disappointment. Yeah, but it is what it is. So after I do like this, you see, like this, you see, now my sinia, my pan, sinia, wherever. In our language we call it sinia. Is sinia. Yeah, so that is it. And I'm going to start to arrange my fertile. like this way, that way, that way. So let me show you the process. So Team Diva, this is the cheese. We are going to press it like this, chop chop. Do you know the meaning of chop chop? Like this. Hope you are seeing what I'm doing. Huh? Yeah, like this. This is how we do it. This is how it's supposed to be doing. If you wanna save your time for other things, you know, there's a quote says, it is better you waste money more than wasting time, and it is really, really true. So if you wanna save your time, just do like this. You see, just roll like the way I'm rolling it. This one I don't know what is it, and then you came and arrange it here. You see where I'm arranging mine? Yeah, so like this. Yeah, that's how we do it. You see? I'm trying. Save your time by rolling like this. I don't know what is happening here. We arrange it. You see? So let us do quick. Oh God. I need to do this like this. Yes. So let us do like this. You just do quick. Yeah, guys. You see how it looks? So nice. So beautiful, so nice. Yeah. There we go. How we do it. Yeah. How it comes. Let me finish here. I show you the result. They says there's one language in this world which people respect and which is result. Yeah, people respect result of the things. Yeah, you can do whatever you're doing, but the result is the everything. Result is the end of everything. You're seeing? Yes, so like this way, my good people. Like this way. Yeah, let me show you. So far, so good. This is where we are. I still have remaining of this. Yeah, let us make and see how is things going. You see, guys. Yeah, still the process is going on. Still we are moving. Still we are moving. Yeah. So far, so good. Yeah, so guys, this is point I'm right now. You see, that is how I do it. I hope you are seeing it. Yes, guys. Yes. How do you want to do? Yalla. So we have this. Last but not least, yeah. Ta-da! Last part. Yeah, the last part. Before I start to apply another things, so stay tuned. My good people, this is the step I have reached. So what I wanna do now, you see this is eggs. So I want to to put here and start applying it on top. So stay tuned. Don't skip the channel, watch to the end. If you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're turning subscriber, thank you for coming to watch my video. Road to success. Guys, I have already put here the eggs, and this is what I'm doing now at the moment. Yeah, so at the moment, this is how we go. This is how we do it. So stay tuned. Don't skip the channel. Watch until the end. Yeah. Guys, my good people, you can see the view. Wow, I like the view. So stay tuned. Yeah. So the next thing I'm going to do, I'm going to apply this is we call za'atar. Let me show you how it works. This. Yeah, so I'm going to apply like this. You're seeing? Yeah, this is what I'm going to do. So stay tuned. Don't skip the channel. So far, so good. This is how I do it. Cooking is not an easy work. Yeah, but you need to trust yourself. You see? I'm so excited. So super excited. So the next step I'm going to put here in oven. Yeah, you people, I have forget one here. Let me finish it. Let me finish. Yeah, so guys, the next step, I'm going to open the oven and I'm going to put it there. So let us see how it's going to bake and come and we eat and we call it a day. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. Peace. So guys, let us open the cooker. It's not the cooker, it's the oven. Yeah, let us open the oven. As you see here, we just put like this. And then I'm going to open the lower side. Oh God. Yeah guys, hope you can see the fire from down there. So let us take our fertile. Oh God. And bake it like this. Yeah. And close it. You see? So let us wait for our fertile to be baked. Yeah, how we go. This is how we do. If you know, you know. Yeah, so keep supporting me. Guys, this is my view. This is my last results. Thank you for joining. Thank you for watching. Thank you for trusting me. See you to the next video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Bye bye.